Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Let's talk about Starbucks stock today. Okay, so apparently, Starbucks, we are currently in the weekly chart. Okay, we can see that the chart is actually looks pretty good and has able to recover some very good levels. Which was previously a resistance, but this time it was pretty much very much able to sustain these levels. The levels that I'm talking about is 105, right? It came the stock went towards I mean, it is still at which levels? Just a second. Yeah, it's at 105 levels currently, and the 97 used to be a very important level for this stock, right? We can say 95 to and those 100 levels, right? So we can say this level did act like a um, resistance in the past here, right? Which we talk about the in 2019, of course. After that, here it took support in 2021 when there was a fall, and then in 2022 it just clearly went off the track and broke this level with a pretty huge rally that we have seen as a downfall, right? And then it was pretty well, in a very good way it was able to jump back. So what do we see here next for Starbucks? Currently, it is at a consolidating level, which is between 97 and 105. Now, this particular level, once we cross 105, we can see more upward movement of this stock, which may take us to above somewhat around 11% more, or around 12% that you can say, right? If the stock moves successfully above 105 level, it gives a daily close above 105 level, then we can expect this stock to move further higher. I have spoken about this particular pattern which usually occurs, where people expect it to break down and form an inverse head and shoulder, but what the stock actually does, it doesn't do that. It tries to move up, it tries to push up, right? And this would actually negate the whole inverse head and shoulder pattern, right? So what we can expect also from here, as we see here, there's a pattern, a consolidation pattern forming between 103 and 106 levels, right? If the stock is able to move upward and make 105 as a support, then we can clearly see the levels of 117 also being able to be achieved. However, I will also mark our immediate resistances, like this higher high which was made at 110. And then if we talk about this level, then this will also kind of act as a small resistance, which is 109. But this is a pretty good looking stock currently. It is sustaining bounce from EMA 200 as well, which is sitting at 97.58 level. So a very good stock to keep in your watch list, right? And a close above 105 levels, convincingly, right? And turning it to support will may give us a 10% return in the upcoming weeks or months, right? So yeah, this is an important stock that you can definitely keep in your watch list. I'll quickly move in 1 hour time frame to see what the stock is doing currently. Yeah, so we definitely see that the stock is trying to make 105 as a support. Let's see if it is able to do that. And we can see here there is a divergence that has occurred in the RSI from these levels. The price was making higher high, but RSI was making lower high, so it is expected for the stock to correct a little bit and then maybe move upward. So when it comes to correction, I expect this stock to remain above 103 levels, right? The stock may come back here, retest, consolidate, and then break out. The more the consolidation, the better. We'll always have a better projection when we see a good consolidation, because consolidation also acts kind of an accumulation. Obviously it acts as a distribution as well, followed by which we have huge sell off, but in this particular scenario where we see the stock is actually moving above EMA 200, so we will be looking for bullish setups for having more probability, right? So that's it for today for Starbucks. Do keep it in the watch list. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy watching these videos, please subscribe to a channel, share it with your family and friends, and hit a like button. Okay, thanks for now. Talk to you later. Bye.